6 more weeks till Christmas, and I've got a lot of stuff to customize and give away, so be sure to tune in and subscribe. In today's video, we're drawing Super Ranger Brock from Brawl Stars. Let's get started along the top center of our page and draw in a circle. So we start right in the middle, come all the way down towards the bottom, and we'll pull that back up towards the top. And then from here, we're going to draw two pointed fins going out towards the side. Let's start from the top of the circle, draw a straight angle line going up, and then out towards the left. Go back to the center, go up and out towards the right. And we'll pull this back down towards the side of the circle. Let's start on the top left, and go down, and then in. Let's trace both of these points along the inside. From the bottom, we're going to step up, follow that same angle line going up, and then pull that back in. Now we're going to layer the glasses in behind. Let's start on the left side. Start with a straight angle line going up, and then out. Line this up on the right, and we'll do the same thing. And then from the outside, we're going to curve the glasses coming down and then up towards the center of the circle. Down, round this out, and then pull that up. And then we'll add a trim along the top of the glasses. From the left side, we're going to step down, follow that angled line coming back in. And then we'll add a glare going across the glasses. Starting on the top left, angle down and out with a straight line, step in, and draw that twice. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's move up and draw a large half circle for the top of the head in behind the spikes. From the top corner, we're going to step in, curve up, and in behind the spike. Continue on the inside, going up toward the top of the head, and bending that back down. And then we'll continue out and then down on the right side. Let's add that trim along the inside. Starting on the left, curve up and then in, move over towards the right, and do the same thing. Let's go to the inside on the left and curve up, and then down to right about there. We're going to add a notch. Angle up and out, and pull that straight down. Let's trace this trim along the outside. Stepping out, just follow that same curve, and then back on the left, curve up and across, and I'll trace out that notch. Now we're going to move down and draw the bottom edge of the head, starting on the left side. Come down. We're just going to bend that into right about there. Just line this up on the right, going out and then up underneath the head. Let's go back to the inside and draw two straight angle lines going up and out underneath the glasses. Let's draw the chin in behind the sides. On the left side, we're going to step up, curve down in the middle, and then bend that up on the right. We're also going to shift the mouth over towards the right side. Stepping over, curve down, and just pull that up a little bit higher on the right side. Let's add that trim along the inside. From that bottom corner, step out, just follow that same angle line going up just underneath the glasses. And then from here, we're just going to curve out and then up underneath. Let's move out to the side and add the ear covers. From the top of the glasses, we're going to step up, angle down and then out. Do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to move down, angle up and out. And it'll connect the top and bottom of the curve, going out, down, and then in. Let's move down and draw on the side of the body. From the left side, we're going to step over, curve the body going out, and then down towards the hip, and do the same thing on the right side. And then from the hips, we're going to curve down and then in. We're going to leave a gap in the center. And pull this straight up underneath the head. Let's add in the collar. From the top left, angle down and then in. Do the same thing on the right side. I'm going to step out, just follow that same line coming in. And we'll pull this straight down towards the bottom of the vest. Let's go back to the inside corner of the vest, step up and draw a curve. Coming down and then up. I'm going to step up and draw that same curve to the top of the belt. And then we'll add the buckle. Leaving a gap in the center, go to the left side, draw one line, go to the right, and draw that again. Let's go back up to the top and draw the edge of the collar. Starting on the left side, curve down, and then up. Let's add that large X in the center of the body. Right in the middle, step down, start with a point. From here we're going to angle up and out toward the left, and then the right. Let's go back to the center, step down, draw another point, angle down and out toward the left, and then the right. Let's go back in between these 2 points, step out towards the left, add a point, add one on the right. Now from those points we're going to angle up and out, and then down towards the side. Now we're going to continue working down with the legs. From the buckle, we're going to step down, draw a curve, from left to right, going up, and then down. And then leaving a gap in the center, let's go to the left side, curve the leg going out, and down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out, and down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the heel, curve the foot, coming down, and then up. Now we're going to go back to the left side and draw on the top of the foot. Let's start from the toe, curve up. Just going to bend this down, aiming towards the heel. Do the same thing on the right. Let's go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. From the bottom corner of the vest, step in, curve the leg going out, and then down on top of the foot. Let's add the edge of the boot. On the left side, curve down and then up, line up on the right side. Now we draw that same curve 2 more times, stepping down, and then once more. Let's move back up and draw on the left arm. We're going to start halfway down the side of the body, starting right here, curve the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist. And then from the wrist, we'll draw a small half circle for the thumb, and at the end, we'll add a bracket. Let's add in the fingers. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, come down, and bend this up around the bracket, step down, curve down, and up with the second finger. And then the third finger, we're going to go out, bend the arm coming up, and then in behind the head. Let's go back to the top of the thumb and curve up and then out. And we're going to step up, draw that again, going up and then out. And then we'll add a trim along the top and bottom. We're going to step up, just follow that same curve, coming in, move up to the top, and do the same thing. Let's move over to the right and draw in that rocket launcher. We're going to start on the side of the head. Let's start with a circle. And then from the top, we'll angle up and in, go back to the center, go up and out. Let's pull that back in towards the side of the circle. Let's move out towards the side, draw a straight line coming in towards the head, line this up on the right. Now we're going to round out the top corner, going around and then down. Let's come straight down the sides. About there. And then we'll round out the bottom corner, going around and then in. and then we'll close off the bottom with a straight line. And then we'll add 4 circles on the inside. Let's start with the top. Start on the left side, draw a circle. Move over towards the right, draw it again. I'm going to draw 2 more along the bottom. Now we're going to trace the circles along the outside. Let's start at the very top, curve around the top circle, pull that in, go around the bottom left circle, and up in the middle, and then we'll work our way around the right side. And then we'll add a small X in the center. Let's add 2 buttons on the left side, starting from the top, curve in and then out, step down, and draw that again. Let's draw 3 fingers wrapped around the handle along the bottom. Starting from the center, draw an oval, going around, and then back up. Let's step down on the left side, go out, around, and then back up. Let's do that one more time. And then going back up to the top finger, we're going to draw a circle, going in, down, and then up underneath the bottom finger. Let's go to the inside and draw on the thumb, going in, and then back out. Now I'm going to go back up to the top of the body, step out, curve the arm coming down, and then out in behind. And then we'll line up the inside of the arm over on the right side, curve the arm coming down, then out in behind the handle. And then we'll add the edge of the sleeve, starting from the bottom, curve up, and then out, step out, and draw that again. And that's pretty much it. There's Super Ranger Brock from Brawl Stars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.